In this video, we're going to take a look at a product called Revive. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my review playlist. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi, and if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular offer. Okay, so let's get started with the sales page here. So the product is called Revive, as I said before, and the headline reads, "Swipe the daily method used to stuff my bank account with instant 97 a pop commissions without spending a dime on traffic. Breakthrough income stream, 100% newbie friendly method, no hidden or monthly fees ever. Learn how I made 1K a day. Get the breakthrough profits you deserve. 60-day money-back guarantee." Okay, so what is Revive exactly? So this is a step-by-step video training by Ashley Parry, and he's going to show you how to do affiliate marketing. Now, the difference between this product and other similar products is that what Ashley does in this one is he takes on a student and he's going to show you live, kind of like a case study, while he's teaching his students step by step how to do this whole affiliate marketing thing, so you can watch along with them and learn. So it's pretty cool. So again, I'm not going to go through this whole page here, guys. We're going to briefly go through the sales page because you can look at this on your own time and read everything on the page. So basically 3 steps here: grab your copy, obtain the easy system, go through everything, and get ready to be revived, experience revival, and obtain the freedom and money you deserve. So here's some screenshots of his earnings using this method. Here's a little bit about Ashley Parry if you don't know anything about him. Okay, so let's go ahead and scroll through here. So some of the things inside the training here: Revive Fast Track, a $297 value, step-by-step secrets revealed to making killer income. So extended training secrets, get the blueprint right here. Case study, Revive support. Here's some testimonial videos you can check out. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the 5 vendor bonuses that you're going to get from picking up this product. It's going to be in the members area. I'm going to show you in a second. But before you do that, make sure you click on my links in my bonus page. If you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and look for the link in the description. That'll take you here. Click any one of these red buttons that say click here to get Revive now. That's going to give you access to my bonuses on the back end inside of Warrior Plus when you check out on the sales page, okay? So when you click this button here, it's going to take you back to the sales page where you can use the buttons on this page to check out, okay? So that's how that's going to work to make sure that you cookied into getting my 6 bonuses in the back end. So let's go over these 5 here. So bonus number 1, you get 2K a day live training. I'm not going to read all of this stuff, guys. You can read it on your own time. Bonus number 2, instantly get a 30 discount on the first upgrade. Okay, bonus number 3 here, access the method that made us thousands online in the last few weeks. Bonus number 4, instant access to training, which will help you make money right now. Bonus number 5, award-winning products bundled absolutely free when you purchase today. Okay, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee, guys, so all the risk is on him for you to take a look at this and try it out. Okay, and this is pretty much summing up everything that's inside the product. The Revive method, make money training, world-class customer support, 1K video case study, and 5 premium bonuses. All right, so if you have any questions, you can scroll down and check out the FAQs right here, and that's gonna wrap everything up, guys. For the sales page, you can see it's $9.95 right now. So we're inside the Revive membership area here, so you can have dashboard support and log out up here on the top. The first video is going to be an introduction video, which is right here. You can check that out. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see another video that's going to be explaining this button here, which is access your free 2K a day training. He's going to tell you a little bit more about that. All right, so we have 3 modules to go through for the Revive training here. So the first module has 4 videos: concepts and checklists, affiliate links and review access, introduction to bonus pages, and selecting the right bonuses. So if I just click this, you'll see that this whole training is going to be based upon teaching one of his students, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and check out module 2 here. So bonus page mega build, select your bonuses, bonus page graphic and design. In Revive module number 3, you're going to get create and rank your videos, what to do after your video is live, and the case study results from his student here. And then you're going to get Revive conclusion and plan. So check out that video as well. In the last section here is upgrades and opportunities. So if you open that up, you'll see 2 modules here, upgrades. So just in case you skipped any of the upgrades when you went through the purchase process, you can grab these here by clicking on any of these buttons. And of course, your vendor bonuses that were on the sales page are located right here. So that's going to wrap up the members area. Okay, so let's go ahead now and jump into the upsells and take a look at that. Okay, so for the front end offer, which is the Revive method here, that's $9.95. So this is the video course where people will learn how to make money online within 24 hours. Okay, let's look at OTO number 1 here. It's called Revive Adrenaline Shot. So this will be $67 with a $47 down sale. So this training is going to show you how to 5x times your commissions. So with the standard Revive method, you can make money, but it's going to take a little time and commitment, and this will help you speed up that process. OTO number 2 is called Revive Caffeine Booster, which is at $97 with a $47 down sale. So this is a host of done-for-you resources that's going to help you make commissions faster. So you're going to get access to his bonus page structure that you can use as your own. You're going to get access to his YouTube thumbnail designs that you can use for your own review videos. You're going to get access to his email swipes that he used for past promotions. All you got to do is tweak them up, make them relevant to the product that you're promoting, send them out to your new list, and make some commissions. OTO number 3 is Revive Reseller, which is $67 with a $47 down sale. So these funnels cost thousands of dollars to make, guys. So you're going to get access to use the whole funnel and resell the product and keep 100% of the commission. So as far as reseller rights goes, it's always a good idea to pick this up. If you don't have your own product to launch, you can use someone else's and keep all of the profits for yourself, right? Okay, let's take a look at OTO 4 here. This is the Revive Unlimited Traffic. So it's at $67 with a $47 down sale, and he's going to show you how to take your list building and brand awareness to the next level. And he's going to show you how to get huge traffic to your landing pages, YouTube channel, Facebook profile, or anywhere else that you want. And OTO 5 is Revive Masterclass. This is at $197 with a $97 down sale. You're going to get lifetime access to Ashley's weekly coaching calls. You can ask him anything you want, and he's going to help you whatever issues that you may come across. It's personal training that you can use as you wish to elevate your own online business. Having a mentor is invaluable, and I totally 100% agree with that. Alright guys, let's go ahead and move on now to my bonuses. So first of all, make sure you keep an eye on this timer, guys. It's going to count down till the launch ends, and if you want to lock in my bonuses, make sure to click this button ASAP before this timer ticks all the way down to 0. Okay, so let's just scroll down to the bottom here. Okay, so I'm not going to read every word on this page here for the bonuses, but you can read them on your own time. So bonus number 1 is email marketing for beginners. You're going to learn how to decode and dissect an email so that you can emulate master copywriters. Okay, so in this bonus, email marketing for beginners, I'm basically going to take you step by step in this video training, which all of my bonuses are usually video training, and I'm going to let you fill in the blanks of what you think each sentence in this email that I wrote is. I'm going to take you step by step to show you the meaning of each paragraph and how it gets the readers to invoke a specific action that you want them to take. So it's really cool training, and I think you're going to enjoy it a lot. It's going to teach you how to write like the masters do as far as copywriting goes, because you're going to learn how to implement these techniques. Okay, so let's check out bonus number 2 is YouTube Cash. This is video training on how to use YouTube effectively for affiliate commission. This will really help you when using the Revive system, because it's part of my business model as well, and it's what I use every time I do a promo for an affiliate product. So you're going to discover the right way to pitch an affiliate offer, okay? You're going to learn what to write in your YouTube descriptions to get better results time and time again. You're going to discover the perfect script for your YouTube review videos for creating the best profits, and you get to watch over my shoulder as I show you how the masters of this space use this method to cash in. Okay, so bonus number 3 is how to manage your time wisely. So you're going to learn how to use your time to your advantage by focusing on what is the most important. Okay, so how to manage your time wisely is also another good video training that you're going to use with this system, because it's going to show you how to get focused in what you need to do to manage your time wisely while using this system. Okay, bonus number 4 is the conceptual system. You're going to learn the secrets of making money with every content you put up online. Okay, so the conceptual system is another video training by me, and I'm going to pretty much break down my entire business model, which I include affiliate marketing and launching products together, and how I use that system. You're going to learn about my double value ladder setup, how I can turn other people's buyers into my own leads, and it's a very, very cool training that I think you're going to love, guys. So once you adopt this system, you're going to see how well it can work for you. Let's check out bonus number 5 here. This is color psychology and marketing. So you're going to learn how to decode colors and use them to your advantage when it comes to marketing. Pretty cool training as well right here. And bonus number 6 is grow your profits fast with live video. You're going to drive more traffic and higher conversions with live streaming video. Okay, so a little bit about using live videos. Once you get into the affiliate marketing side of things, you're gonna notice that live videos do better than just regular video uploads, because these social media platforms put the live thing on a pedestal for some reason. I don't know why they do this, but they do. I guess because it's right now instead of whatever. You could have made a video 4 months ago and you're just uploading it now, so it's live and it's more right now happening, I guess, or something like that. So I wanted to add this bonus in here to help you out on driving more traffic and getting higher conversions with live streaming video. So all of these bonuses are recapped below. Go ahead again, use any of these red buttons to get your bonus. So how do you get your bonus? Okay, so let's jump into Warrior Plus. I'm going to show you how to find your bonuses once you check out and all that good stuff and you log into your account. So once you're logged in, you just click this little drop down here and click Purchase History. All right, let me just bring up an image here to show you. So here it is. So that's step 1. You're going to choose Purchase History from your drop down tab here. Okay, so step 2, you're going to click on the product that you just purchased, okay? And you're going to see it in the list like this. So you click there. And then in step 3, you just get your bonuses here by clicking on the blue Access Affiliate Bonus button. Okay, and that's how you're going to get your bonuses, by clicking on that button, and you're going to get access to all of these 6 bonuses that I'm offering. All right, so that's going to wrap up this review on the product called Revive. So I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it helps you make an educated decision on whether or not you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rokksmith with USA Digi, and guys, happy marketing.